Boulevard and Pacific Coast Highway. Suspects 180 to 190 pounds, 5'5", black clothing, the male span approximately 30 to 40 years, on foot Wilmington Boulevard towards Anaheim. That's the visual of the suspect.
4 code 6 in the area.
5 code 6 in the area.
2425, code 6 in the area, Wilmington and Pacific Coast Highway.
506 here, I'm going to call on Wilmington and Pacific Coast Highway.
506, Roger. William 31, 5 William 31, are you clear?
Call back to PR and see where they last had the suspect.
Harvey 25, stand by.
Advice, there's going to be shots fired in the area of King and L Street.
Unit Harvey 25, repeat the crossing to L Street. Harvey units, correction, shots fired in the area of King and L Street. Okay.
Shots fired. Can you help?
Unit.
Have officers respond southbound Wilmington only from L Street or PCH.
Units, officer needs help. Units respond Anaheim from PCH southbound. Units respond Anaheim from PCH southbound. Shots fired in the area of King and L Street.
Fired in the area of King and L. An officer needs help, call Anaheim. Respond Anaheim from PCH. Responding.
CM code 6.
Allen 60 code 6 in the area of Anaheim PCH, suspect blasting southbound at Wilmington. Correct. The unit has suspect southbound at Wilmington.
The suspect down, struck by a vehicle, possible gunfire.
The unit south of Denny with a suspect down, possibly by a vehicle or gunfire.
Denny and Wilmington to block northbound traffic.
Roger and RA requesting a unit Denny and Wilmington to stop southbound traffic.
Are there any 4 police units responding to the area?
And 27 are going to be around.
27 and around.
25, let me get an RA. We got an officer down.
Officer was struck by gunfire in the arm.
Into the arm.
All units, officer needs help, Denny and Wilmington. Officer needs help, Denny and Wilmington. Officer down. Any air unit come in on harbor frequency.
82, we need to get a unit to Denny and Wilmington to stop northbound traffic. You also need to get another unit on L and Wilmington to stop southbound traffic.
Requesting units Denny and Wilmington south to stop southbound traffic, and the L and Wilmington to stop northbound traffic.
Where's the bullets, though? Where's the bullets? They had to hit something other than him. They said they unloaded on him, you know. That's weird. What, did he just hit him with the car? They didn't actually shoot him?
I can't even get over like the big huge marks on him.
You know, like, and this.
The freaking leg shock marks.
Look, you see hands. Handprints. Like you can see, like right here. Like there's a. It looks like a hand right here. See his fingers?
Blood stain that didn't come out.
Look at all that, because this is when they were picking them up or something. It's so foul that look at like all this area was like he was bleeding out like that. There we go, shot. What's that then? That might just be a car stuff.
See like the skin marks from the tires and stuff.
Oh, yeah.
Really? You had to run him over too?
He didn't know. There's like no marks on the tires. He didn't break at all.
Yeah, just like the third.
Right. Like he didn't even break. Like I think the dude just broke his. Because you'd think there'd be at least a little skid at least like once they hit him. Like There's no
How do you
break.
do that? You had to been like shooting from your driver's side.
That's what I'm saying. I don't know if they even shot at him. I think they probably just hit him with the car because I don't see any bullet. So it would be.
No, but
Oh wait.
multiple bullets.
Oh, okay.
But
That's true.
of course, they could have been paid like everything else.
Yeah.
We heard that the police told him to put the gun down 3 times and then bullets went off. Bullets,
Yeah.
bullets, a bunch.
My name is Laura Shark, and I record the police. Wait, what? I record